It hurts me because it seems like you shouldn't appreciate what I did. What's up mga guy? Welcome to my new segment, the Bogoy Late Night Talks. Here, we're going to talk about the basic questions about love and relationships. I receive a lot of questions regarding this instead of science and about the world. Since we're talking about love and relationship, I can't answer this alone. So I'm gonna call out my partner, my real life partner, Erica. So we are here to answer some issues that arises in a relationship and what would we do if it was us. So the first topic for this segment is about conflict. Is fighting normal? Is fighting normal?
Yeah, it's normal to have conflicts in relationship.
Yeah, I think so. For me, it's normal because relationship is made up of two people coming from different background, different values. There are some disagreements, whether it's small or big. What differentiate a healthy from unhealthy relationship is how they fight.
Yeah, that's true. Like, relationships are two different people coming together. So surely there will be a conflict at some point.
Example, like us, we do fight. When we just started our small business here in Maldives, the Oriental Sun, she keeps on blaming me about like late deliveries, mistake orders, and it hurts me because it seems like you shouldn't appreciate what I did for our little business. So it kind of hurt, but before the day ends, I always talk to her like, this is how I feel when you said this and that. So I express my feeling, and yeah, we talk about it, and how we handle it is mature. Yeah. Like in a respectful way.
Yeah, like that incident when he was telling me that he was hurt and he was upset with the way that I blamed him for the delays and wrong orders. I'm happy that he told me, because if he didn't, then I would be wondering why is he angry, why is he not talking to me nicely. Because when he explained it to me that this is how he felt, then I was very apologetic and I was very sorry, because that's not what I meant. I mean, there may be the way I talked to him, like I asked what happened, why was it so delayed, what happened, what went wrong, and he took it as blaming, and I was so sorry, because never in my life would I want to hurt him or blame him for these things. I was just more of a solution girl, like what went wrong.
Well,
so we can improve the next time. And I was so sorry, and yeah, we cleared the air out. Okay, he understood that it was not how I meant it, and I understood him that he didn't want me to say those things in a different way. So we improved the next time, and
yeah, and it didn't happen again.
Yeah, it didn't happen again.
So we didn't fight again regarding that issue. So we move on, we learned, we solved it, then move on.
Yeah.
So
because when you have a conflict and when you have disagreements, you just really need to talk about it, and you have to be specific on the things that make you upset.
You don't be vague, because your partner is not mind reader or a seer to know what the problem is. And one more thing, you don't keep your secrets. You don't keep your problem with you. Don't wait until the day that it will all piled up and you burst. And it's gonna be very difficult to fix it anymore.
Yeah, just like when you are like raising a child, if a child makes a mistake or something that you don't like, you have to tell the child right away, because after that then they will forget about it and they will think, oh, it's okay what I did because my mom didn't like spank me that time. So it's the same in a relationship. Like if like there's something that is bothering you, say it right away, then it can be fixed. Then you can meet halfway then and there, and then it will not pile up anymore. And then when time comes na like you burst na, you explode na and say, you're like this, you're tamad, you're like, you don't appreciate me, and then the partner was like, what, I just did one thing today and now you're generalizing my whole like life. And then
that's the problem that piled up, like problem to another problem to another problem. So yeah, it's really difficult to not to solve the problem right away, because it end up to be a big or disastrous problem. Just make sure that if you have problem, say it, tell to your partner, and you talk about it, because that's what we do. We always talk. I mean, there's no day, there's no there's no day we're not talking. We love talking, because that's our key, that's our, for us, that's our secret for a healthy relationship.
Exactly. It takes two to tango, because when, like, example, I'm upset at him, and then if I don't tell him, then how would he know that I'm upset? So you have to meet halfway. Don't expect your partner to suyo you, or you know, like, ooh, what, like you will do the silent treatment, and then your partner will ask you what's wrong with you, and then, oh girls, you will just say, I'm okay, okay lang ko, or no problem, and then but deep inside, like, oh, grabe na problem, like dumot na kaayo ba? So like,
and for the guys also, they will have some migraine, or they will imagine things that what they did, like they will like play back or rewind the things that they did, and then it will just play in their mind, and it will like mess. It's gonna be a mess.
When you can just talk and say, hey, I didn't like that you didn't say good morning to me this morning. I feel like you forgot about me. And then, okay, then he will know, I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to make you feel that I forgot about you. It's just I was so busy, I was like this, but promise I will say good morning to you every day. Okay, problem solved.
Yeah. Easy.
Yeah.
Peasy.
As long as you are what you call this, solution oriented.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, if you don't like keep on hugot the old and the past, you just focus on the solution, then relationships will be easy, conflicts will be easy also. They will just pass by like normal part of life.
Yeah. And don't fight like an animal, okay?
Yeah.
Don't say the F word, the bobo, the tanga, because if you said that to your partner, of course your partner will throw it back to you, and you will not like it. So it's gonna be like
yeah, always maintain respect.
Yeah, always maintain respect,
because you love that person, don't forget.
Exactly. You worked hard for this lady, for this girl to be yours, and then you will just say bobo, tanga, inutil. How come you love a person like that? Right? So it's very like, it hurts.
It really hurts. And on that note, we are telling you conflict is
okay.
normal. Yes, it's okay.
As long as you fight in a respectful way. Alright. See you on the next episode of the Bugoy Late Night Talk.
Bye.